Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Cloud AI payment failed. Now let's assume you're trying to make payments on Cloud AI over here. You come to profile over here, then you can choose upgrade plan. Now once you choose upgrade plan, obviously they'll come and ask you for this payment. You can see the pro plan is only $17, then the max plan is $100. Now if your payment is failing, what you're going to do is quite simple, guys. First of all, you'll need to first fix your browser. If it's not the browser, then the payment will be on your end. Maybe the credit card you're trying to pay for isn't right. Now, to fix your browser, I recommend opening up a new tab, then closing this old tab. After that, come to settings, then tap on the settings icon, privacy and security, third party cookies, then make sure this one is turned on. After that, come back, delete browsing data, choose all time, then delete all. After that, go ahead and open up your Cloud AI account once again, and then your payment shall be processed automatically without fail. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.